The Liaoning and Shandong carrier strike groups of the Chinese Navy recently conducted a joint exercise in the Western Pacific Ocean. In this drill, the Chinese aircraft carriers simulated a confrontation scenario with the U.S. aircraft carrier, with the Liaoning acting as the offensive force and the Shandong playing a defensive anti-access role. This exercise marked the first time China deployed a dual carrier formation beyond the second island chain, extending its operational range to waters east of Iwo Jima. The Liaoning approached from the southwest of Nantori Island and rendezvoused with the Shandong from the southeast, forming a coordinated tactical formation with one ship advancing and the other providing support. The joint operation was supported by naval and air forces across multiple areas within the exercise zone. Throughout the exercise, the two carriers completed a total of 1,120 aircraft takeoff and landing operations, 700 by the Liaoning and 420 by the Shandong. Experts note that this difference does not indicate technical limitations, but is likely intended to simulate the actual disparity in sortie rates between Chinese and American carriers, allowing an assessment of combat effectiveness under asymmetric conditions. These high sortie numbers reflect significant technical verifications. The Liaoning tested the operational capability of the upgraded J-15T fighter, which is compatible with electromagnetic catapult systems and features domestically developed WS-10B engines and active phased array radar. Meanwhile, the Shandong optimized its flight deck and hangar design to enhance sustained operational performance under complex maritime conditions. Analysts have observed that the geographic scope of the exercise carries strategic implications, as the Chinese dual carrier formation operated near key locations such as Nantori Island, Iwo Jima, and even Guam, home to several major U.S. military installations. According to a Rand Corporation simulation, if China's anti-access capabilities reach the second island chain, the operational advantage of U.S. carrier strike groups in the Western Pacific could decrease by nearly 50%. Compared to the U.S. Navy's operational standards, where Nimitz-class aircraft carriers typically conduct 120 to 150 aircraft sorties per day, the Liaoning and Shandong's performance over a 12-day training cycle is considered comparable. This reflects the notable progress made by the Chinese Navy in improving its blue water combat capabilities in recent years. The exercise is also seen as preparation for the future commissioning of the Fujian aircraft carrier. Fujian is China's first carrier equipped with an electromagnetic catapult system and is expected to operate next-generation aircraft such as the J-35, J-15T, and the Air Police 600 early warning aircraft. The adoption of the new launch system is expected to significantly enhance sortie efficiency and further narrow the gap between the Chinese Navy and leading global naval forces such as the U.S. Some analysts argue that this exercise goes beyond technical training and reflects China's long-term strategic intent to expand its far-sea operational capabilities and strengthen its presence in the Pacific region. Amid intensifying naval competition among major powers, such activities increasingly symbolize the ongoing transformation of the regional security architecture.